I'm still studying here sa Philippines and planning to move after maka-work experience. Anong dapat i-apply? Student visa ba or work visa or what, please? It really depends kung ano yung opportunity na dadating sa'yo. Kasi kung work, why not? Bakit ka pa punta dito ng student visa kung pwede naman pumunta ka dito ng work visa, di ba? Pero again, hindi lahat yon nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na mabigyan ng trabaho dito agad-agad or mabigyan ka ng direct employment opportunity. So ngayon, kaya yung iba nag-student visa kasi ginagamit talaga nila yung way para makakuha ng work permit dito, di ba? Pagka magkakaroon ka ng postgrad work permit after graduation. So, you have to balance it kung ano bang opportunity ang dadating sa'yo. Kailangan alam mo, di ba? Kung kunwari, naghahantay ka na ng, let's say, 4 years, wala pa ring job offer or wala pa ring work visa opportunity para sa'yo, then might as well consider the student visa. Pero again, the student visa, magastos yon. So you have to make sure na you are financially capable when you are applying for student visa and when you are going to be an international student kasi